Hello everybody. I'm called Adams. This is Total Bugembe. It's a fuel station. It's a Total fuel station, and I'm gonna be doing painting works. Let me take you around. So this is Total Bugembe. It's a fuel station. You can see that. Yeah, it's a Total Energies fuel station. Safety comes first in whatever you do. Safety first. Yeah, PPE. You can see my safety shoes, my overall, my helmet, and all the other things needed. Everyone is in PPE as well. It's a fuel station. No smoking allowed here. Strictly painting works. Yeah, so I'll be doing painting works for the whole entire station. Everything that has paint is gonna be repainted. Everything that you set your eyes on is gonna be repainted. The canopy, the pumps, the buildings, the walls, the gratings, etc. Everything. That's the spray painter up there. He's already doing the spray paint. He's working on the canopy. Yep. This is the shop. Painting work's already ongoing in there, the supermarket. That's some of the paperwork for the project. That's our askari. Yep. So I'll be taking you throughout the entire project until completion. Yep. I'm called Adams. Stay tuned. These are the pumps. The pumps are going to be spray painted. You can see these gentlemen here. They're already doing the cleaning. They're cleaning the pumps. They're going to clean them, wrap them, and then we spray paint them using the compressor. Not with a roller, but a compressor. Yeah. He's our spray painter. He's on the top. This is the compressor, fully certified machine. Yep. Let's go to the wall fence. He's working on the wall fence. That's the undercoat. We finished filling all the cracks. So we applied the undercoat. Yep. Service bay. This is Simon. Mr. Simon.
Yo, how are you?
And this is the back. The undercoat is done. Yeah. Compressor room. This is going to be repainted too. Yep. Safety comes first in whatever you do. So these guys are mixing paint. This is the paint we use. Full PPE. He's putting on gloves. You can see that. Safety shoes. Paint shouldn't drop on the ground. That's why we put that DPC sheet at the bottom. Yeah. Okay, this is day 2, and every morning we're supposed to have a toolbox talk. It's a meeting, a simple meeting where we discuss safety issues and site progress. Yeah, every worker science here. Today's topic is driving. These are the walls of the supermarket. Yeah, this is surface preparation. We are filling them. There were a little cracks and scratches on these walls, so we have to fill them first. That's what he's doing. He's filling. Yeah. Surface preparation. We strip off all the old wall paint and replace it with new paint. Yeah. So, do you want to paint your house? Do you have apartments and you want to paint them? Give me a call anytime. Okay, every fuel station has fuel pumps. Fuel pumps are those machines that are used to dispense fuel into your vehicle. They're supposed to be painted. They're looking a bit old right now. So we spray paint them so that they have that fine finish. Just like the way you spray paint a car. We do not paint them with a roller. We spray paint them with a compressor. Okay? So, right now, those are the fuel pumps, and he's already doing the spray paint here. You can see that. That is spray paint. He's putting on a respirator and he's doing the spray paint. That's the compressor. So with the pumps, it's a bit tricky. Spray paint is not like wall paint, so we need to wrap. So we spray painted the white. They have two colors. They have the brown and then the white. We spray painted the white and then we wrap just like this with the papers, and then we spray paint the brown. Then we unwrap, and then the painting works are done, and then it will be looking brand new. Okay. Then we have some people up there. The canopy is also spray painted. Let me show you. Same thing. Spray paint up there. You need to wrap. Okay. So you can see those papers. They're wrapping a red bar. There's a red bar that is always up there, and you can't do the spray paint without wrapping first. So you wrap. Those are papers after spray painting, and then you unwrap. That's work at height. These are the scaffolds. They're very well assembled to ensure that the people working up there do not fall, and they're all certified to work at height. It's Total Energies Safety First. So that's the red bar, that bar up there. You're supposed to wrap it, and those letters, they are wrapping the letters right now. You can see that. So after wrapping, they will do the spray paint. Yeah. So far so good. Everything is good. Project is nice, moving on well. Yeah. So the spray painting works have started up there on the canopy. You can see that. That's the spray painter, and he's spraying. So wherever he sprays, he unwraps. He removes the white paper we had used to wrap. You can see all those letters are wrapped. Now spray paint is a very complicated type of paint. Spray paint needs a lot of professionalism, it needs a lot of technique, and it needs a very fine spray painter. The slightest mistake when you're doing spray paint, you'll have to repeat the whole thing. Yeah, and this is a brand. This is a Total Energies canopy, so it's a brand. We need the finest of the finest spray painter. The spray painter we have is from Katwe. Katwe is said to have the best spray painters, the best mechanics, the best fabricators. So the guy is from Katwe. He's a very good spray painter. That's the gas rack. We're now spray painting it. It has two colors. It has the brown and then the white. We use spray paint to paint it because we need a clear fine finish when it's done. So we wrap the white, he spray paints the brown, then we unwrap, wrap the brown, then he spray paints the white. Yeah, we remove the gas cylinders, put them out here. These are the gas cylinders. Then we do the spray paint. That's the compressor. Yep. So we have someone working up on a crane. Yeah, let me show you. So he is cleaning the totem. That's called the totem. It's a signpost. Some of you call it a billboard. Displays the prices. So we're using a crane because it's so high. Let's discuss safety when it comes to this. So when you are going to use a crane to do any works, you have to make sure the crane is in good condition. You have to make sure it's being operated by certified people. You have to make sure whoever is going to be working up there is certified to do the job. Safety comes first. It could collapse if you do not follow the right safe working procedures. Yep. So he's cleaning. Down here we have other guys working. We're still progressing slowly by slowly. Yeah. Let me show you some other things regarding construction safety. So this is my table. You can see this HSC point. I have a first aid box. I have warning tape. I have my paperwork inside this file. I have a fire extinguisher. Everything you really need to keep safe on our work site. Then over here, displayed some information for the workers to read. We have safety rules, we have emergency contacts, we have the company policies, etc. Everything you'll need. This is the retaining wall, and it's supposed to be painted, so we are painting it. You can see that it's a very high wall. Yeah, it looks better when it's painted. This is the unpainted, and then this is the painted. You can see the difference. It looks much better. Yes, so works are complete. Thank you for watching till the end. We are taking Uganda's construction industry to the next level. Yep, let me show you the finished works.
I don't wanna fall in love before you I read. I don't wanna waste no time, but with you I'm free. For my eyes, you can do no wrong. You got me all the time, all the time. They don't understand the things that you do to me. Supernatural, not in this life, yeah. I can't find no one like you. Not today you gon' notice me. Since I done the show green light, look at what you do to me. Look at what you do to me. And today you gon' notice me. Since I done the show green light, look at what you do to me. Since I done the show you love. Cha-chali, 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 oh.